together for Chef Jessie, the young girl. Say, Jessie, why do they call you that?
I'll show you.
Tell them the story, partners.
She was born in Oklahoma, in the rolling Osage Hills. And she rode her into Pontiac home down for her thrills. And a song of joy and gladness bubbled upward from her heart. And burst forth in merry music. That's how youngling got to start. They call her Jessie, the old encounter. Yes, she's Jessie, the old encounter. Yes, she's Jessie, the old encounter.
Do y'all want to learn how to yodel? It's real simple. It starts with a yodel-lay and ends with a hee-hoo. You give it a go. There it is.
Now, Jessie, not to brag or anything, but I've been working on my yodel.
Oh, yeah? Let's hear it.
Yodelay.
Not bad, cowboy, but I think they got a beat.
Sounds like we need a friendly little yodel competition.
Say no more. All my deputies on this side of the room, you're with King Jessie.
And all my friends on this side of the room, you're on Team Woody. Let's see if we can out-yodel Team Jessie.
I'd like to see you try. Okay, Jessie, I'm free.
and you'll wait for ready, set, go, okay? You'll gallop all the way over. And whoa! All right, your turn. Ready, set, and go! Just like that. Well, what do you say we take it up a notch? This time we're gonna jump up and over. And all my deputies can help out by getting on your feet and galloping and jumping along with us in place. I'm gonna play it first one more time. You'll gallop, and big jump, and whoa! All right, deputies, here we go. Ready, set, go! Gallop, and jump, and we made it! Well, thanks for helping me, friend, jumping jack. Would you join me for a big western bow and wave? Hands up to the sky, reach way down low, and wave at all your screaming fans. High five! Thanks for helping us out, you were amazing! Woo! Hey, well, what do y'all say? Would you like to see us jump one more time? All right, let's get these hands clapping. Let's get those feet started. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up.
That was some fun playing with our new friends. Now, let's bring out an old friend again. Jessie and Woody!
Hey, who you calling old?
I hope you still got some pep in your step, cowboy. It's time for the horseshoe stomp.
Aha! Bullseye's favorite dance when he gets a new pair of horseshoes.